Yeah, hello, great people. My name is Diligent from Nigeria. Yes, I've been using Mobile for like 2 years now. Yes, my experience with Mobile it's so awesome. They have a prompt response. I love Mobile because it is so easy. As a digital marketing consultant and also a website and app developer, I prefer using Mobile. I've used Mobile to design and build various blogs such as e-commerce platforms, radio platforms, and as you can see, I own a radio station right here in Nigeria, which is a digital radio station. And you see, something about Mobile is that Mobile also give you the advantage to make use of their free platform. Wow, and it's so much easy. Even if you are not a developer, it's so easy for you to make use of the platform. What we'll talk about the staff of Mobile. Yeah, truly, I am presently in Nigeria, but they have this prompt response. They are always willing to solve your problem when you have any situation on the platform. When you mail them, I've not even seen other platform that they will easily chat you on WhatsApp directly and they will solve your problem. I am going to rate Mobile staffs five, a whole five. I am giving them five. Yes. And I will always recommend, yes, I've even recommended Mobile to other developers like me, other digital marketer consultants like me, because of the satisfying platform that I have discovered, which is Mobile. If not Mobile, I'm telling you, I will not be having my own digital app today. But Mobile made it so easy, faster, and so convenient. I love Mobile, and for life, I will continually to recommend Mobile. Thank you very much. This wonderful complaint. God bless.